For any other phone. Mema obi bia akwaba sonko de ebato magin HSO Ghana wahala dwumedie na ebre asosomsomfo munuaba ekriesika pa enenso mede eba ebesomo na sedi enim no na watwi emu ede eyem papa wenya ne baby ekwa flight lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings ni ye dan na chese egusu a ekoso yenim se 4 days state barrier na wo mo de ama yem papa JJ Rawlings nam say we free we meyi emu no ye prominent person and ebi nso wasamba be ye mampani epen wahwe ama mayi entutu ye ne nnoma bi a wo ye ne enkane no ebi no hu ne se amboa ebi no hu ne se eboa ye dodo na epen asem wo efa baby dodo no nso so wo fa baby no hu ne se nnoma bi o ye enkoye na so akwakoye se eda wo mo ekata na chi krakra ne de ho na wutimi hu no se enkrofo epiepie efri wo mo ebon mo eba bonten ebebekeka ensem ye hu the lives of ne ba wa ba bonten Abigail Mauto, Madam Abigail Mauto, already 52 years. I will change say, well, no, and our JJ Rawlings neba, Abakai, ya share, ya wunu neba, Zenaton, so then some other candia find papa were brand on in it, how life was with ne father. And before we bring Abba Bontin, Abba Bekasam, and the Afai Papa JJ Rawlings, now, and that day, Coco Pimo, Asempa FM, because see Saint Jumedi so now, and no young papa wo non so some one your former president wasanya ne baby ekro JJ Rawlings Eddie agro anase wonim no for the past 50 good years na say wonim no 50 years enim na ni wo no emu no na say waba abonte ono so edi nsem bi abetu edwa na ebra wo kasa na say wo chirima wo no de Ghana hanom woni han wababeka ewo Lebanon na ni din a wo de atu edwa raid Husefi raid Husefi wono na wode nsem atu edwa no babonten ensem wode tu edwa nyina nsem a papa JJ Rawlings eka editre no efa his excellency na Addo Akufo Addo ehuna no so ma wo bunkotodwe anase wo bawo ye ema ye mampanyi na Addo Akufo Addo so wotimi enya asa akonya no eben papa JJ Rawlings na enumu no wa ma papa ne afili se wono so wo se efata bi na ebusuafo mo mankotie ne nsem ye ba ye beto aso.
Always maintain a good standard of living.
You could see saying on Asempa FM.
Yeah. Brother, the reason I left Ghana, I didn't want to be disgraced because I couldn't pay electricity. I couldn't leave. I mean, I go to the supermarket. I see apple. I see grapes or anything. The exorbitant prices. So I thought, no, sell your house. I came and I bought a house here. Food, my brother, is as cheap as Gary or Kinky. And my wife, she's a European. When I came to Ghana, she asked me to bring her Gary and coconut. Can you believe it? This is what she longs. I mean, she's creeping for. I love Ghana. Ghana is my mother's land. I was raised in Ghana. I know thousands of people in Ghana. I love Ghanaians. But brother, I mean, the justice is not there. And by the way, before I forget or before you wrap up this thing, President Rawlings was very disheartened with the way he was, I mean, as an ex-president. And we used to speak together. That they will only know his value is after his death. But what good does it make? Look at the funeral that they are giving him, which is befitted for a head of state. I want to stand here with my head bow to President Nana Akufo Addo, because he really break the barriers and the barriers of law that we know in Ghana. NDC, NPP, different parties. Whilst Rawlings was alive, Rawlings told me the President Nana Akufo extended a very brotherly hand to him. He used to bring him into conferences. He asked him to represent him. I mean, he made him feel like a head of state. Even if you can see what Rawlings said to the NDC or to Ghana, he said, look at 2023, which means pardon?
Yeah, I'm listening, Riyadh. I'm listening.
Yeah, which means Rawlings, he told me he will ask Nana Akufo personally that are you prepared to run again? And apparently he got yes. So Rawlings will not turn his back to Nana Akufo Addo. Rawlings is a disciplined man. He's a disciplined soldier. He's an honest man. So that's what he said it openly on air. He said, NDC, look towards 2023, which means, obviously, Nana is going to take it, and he will support Nana. Jerry Rawlings did not support NPP. Jerry Rawlings supported Nana for his kind gesture to him. And look at the state burial that he's giving him. So, my President Nana, I bow my head before you and tell you a very big thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Riyadh, I know, yes.
You have honored the Ghanaians by the state burial you have given Jerry Rawlings.
Yeah, just control the sentiment.
Say, and I am Papa a rape. Safety, what day a yen and no to a jar a day am I for any asher for a fire former president when you baby called JJ Rawlings now ebusia for make I will say who are piano or pepano I will be to me aqua wouldn't ya papa I just what's a new one I wouldn't say ne and I said now what you more any dinner ye and she yen welcome with them then they also swap or money aqua piano one they also bet me a year a dear boy a year ebusia for a and also wait to me Addo edi sanse yem papa ensem adodo na kafa no ebi eye ensem pa ye ni padiem untimi emplease obi 100% obi ebenya mfunso e wo hone no so enche se ni mfumso enti no na ne papa wa ye no ye kata eye eso na de ye di esi eno no yem papa eye red who safety ensem no eno also agent fan say bi hu obetimi dia betu edwam e wo tuma gh comment section bi more like videos na share or other social media platform eso ekes kapa NMD that's it.